Hi, Brigid. Brigid's marker word is good. Hi, puppy. So we started with a simple touch of the hand. Good. Without a cue at first. Good. As soon as she touches the palm of your hand, say the marker word. Good. Very good, little girl. Then we added the cue. Touch. Good. Good. She nice hard touch, which is nice. Touch. Make sure she comes and touches your hand. Good girl. Good girl. Touch. Good. Do not bring your hand to her. Okay, and then we had an up scooped hand. Sit. Good. Take it. Good job, baby. Good. Over here. Come, puppy. Over here. Good. Good. Very good. Get it. Oh dear. Get it, get it, get it, get it. There you go. Good job. And then we had a finger point for down over here. Just point down to the ground. Good. Take it. My feet from the side of my leg to keep her down. This also told her not to come in after the food. Good. Good. Break. So these cues break. We use that to get her up and moving. Try to use it before she actually moves. So let's try that again. Ready? Good. Excellent job. Good girl. So we're not going to use that break. Good. We like to use the break if she's been down for a while, like with a stay. Good. Then we added the cues. Here we go, baby. For those. Sit. Good. Take it. Good job. Take it. This is the red light, green light game, just like by the side of my leg. Go get it. That'll be in your eval. That went too far. Here, I found it. There you go. Brigid. Sit. Good. Very good. Go get it. Needle. Sit. Good. Excellent. Ready? Go get it. It's a long chew. Okay. Brigid, over here. Down. Let's try that again. I give them a chance just to see if they can figure it out. Down. Good girl. They are just learning this now. It's okay to give them a couple of, like maybe 5 seconds or so, unless they look like they're totally lost. Down. Good job. Good job. I'm not going to use follow my fingers again with her because you can see she's pretty wound up. There, go get it. And that becomes a chasing game. Over here. Down. Good girl. Take it. Excellent. Very good. Go get it. Brigid. Down. Good girl. Excellent. I'm going to feed her down there. Whoops. Once she goes down. Ready? Down. Good. Take it. Take it. Take it. Excellent job. Yay. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Then we have kennel. Kennel, we started with a finger point towards the crate like that, and then we preceded it with the word kennel. So that we can transfer the finger point of value for going in the crate to the word. Kennel. Very good. Get down. Get you down. Good girl. Good girl. Break. This is where you will use the break. If she comes out on her own, she would not get that treat. Kennel. Good girl. Good girl. Still waiting. Break for that auto down once she goes in the crate. Kennel. Oh dear, look at that pad. Where'd he go? Ready? Kennel. Good. Good girl. Kennel. Kennel. This is how we build value for the kennel. Kennel. Break. Good girl. Very good. You say the word kennel and place a treat on the pad in there with her a few times to get the value at your house to the kennel. Good. Very good. Take it. Brigid, come, puppy. Touch. Good job. Okay. What did we do? Let's do some mat. That's the mat. Yes, it is. We did the same thing for the mat. Mat. Break. Go to mat. Good girl. Good job, baby. Good. Very good. Break. Go to mat. Good girl. Down. Good. Stay. Traffic cop hand out in front, all the way back while you're out there, and coming back in. And if she pops up, just put her back down. Good. And we're just going to hold her hand up and say, stay. Good. And then feed her. And we're going to reset her. Good girl. Good girl, baby. So what we would do is either make it easier if she keeps popping up. She doesn't do it often, but when she does, I'll reset her and see where she is. Ready? Go to mat. Good. Down. Good. Stay. Down. Good. Stay. Let's go. Go to mat. So she's having trouble with that today, and that's okay. We work with what we have. Stay. Good. We're just going to do that right here. Take it. Good girl. Stay. Take it. Good girl. Get those steps back in her mind where she can remember the order. Go get it. Go get it. Good job. Go to mat. Sit. Good. Stay. Good girl. Excellent. Wow. Good job. You left that alone. Excellent. Take it. Very good, baby. Go get it. Let's see if we can get one clean this time. You were doing great. Ready? Sit. Stay. Take it. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. I don't usually treat if they pop up or do the other cue than what I'm asking for, because they'll just tie that right in every time if you treat them for it. So resetting them, you just keep your voice happy and get them to try again. If they can't do it, then don't keep trying. We don't want her to have multiple practices of the wrong thing. Hey, hi. You want to try it? Yay. Good. Down. Stay. Take it. Good girl. And that's where we're going to leave it. Good girl. Good thinking. Yay! Go get it, baby. Good job. Good job, baby. So then we have leave it. We started just with food in the hand like this. She would come investigate. We open if she can leave it. Good girl. Take it. Go get it. And then we would drop food. Leave it. Good. Take it. That was hard. It's right under your nose. Ready, ready? Here. Go get it. Leave it. Good girl. Good job. You give her a treat while you're picking the other one up. Very good. Excellent job, little girl. Get it. Good job. And we'll try it with something different. Get her to go away. Oh, find it. Leave it. Excellent job. Very good. Baby, touch. Good. Very nice. Yeah, good girl. Sit. Good. Take it. Good job. Brigid. Up, up. Good girl. Sit. Good. Excellent. Very good. Yay. Down. Good. Take it. Very good. Yeah. Go get it. Find it. Good. Up, up. Over here. Down. Good girl. Very good. Love, love. Go get it. Good girl. Ready? Say yummy. Kennel. Good girl. Good kennel. Good girl. Break. Oh, find it. Good girl. What you eating? Ready? Kennel. Good girl. Break. Awesome. Go to mat. Good. Down. Good. Stay. Take it. Good girl. What a good girl. Awesome. Good job, little girl. Break. Brigid, go to mat. As soon as you get done chewing. And scratching. Ready? Find it. Brigid, go to mat. Good. Sit. Let's do this one. Yeah, good. Stay. Take it. Good girl. What a good job, baby. Good girl. Break. Find it. Good. Awesome job, baby girl. Yay, good job. Squeaky love. Oh, squeaky love. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, you're such a good little girl. Yes, you are. Brigid is such a love. Yes, you are. Smart and sweet. She has a lot of energy, but it's good energy, and you know, just knowing how to let her release that energy is always a good thing. Yeah. Oh, thank you, baby. Good girl. She does great on her loose leash walking, and her recalls are spectacular, and working with those often with very high value food will keep them that way. You're doing a good girl. You're such a good girl. Take it. Good job. She's been sleeping through the night. She loves her kennel. She is just, you know, so much fun. She's got a great personality, and she loves to play. And she's getting a toy right this very second. There you go. Did you get Santa? Did you get Santa? Well, you're gonna have a lot of fun with this little girl. She has just been a joy to share my home with and train. Have a good life, kiddo.